Hi everybody, welcome to Cooking with Red. Today we are going to be cooking octopus. So sit tight and get ready for an enjoyable evening. Here we go. Here is the wine we will be having for today as well. Because wine not, eh? As you can see, this is from Portugal. Frozen octopus in a bag. Here we go. Wow, it's appetizing. It smells fishy. Now here's maybe the piece fun. Maybe it's fun. Had that. What do we have here? What is this? Why are there two? I'm so confused. But we're gonna make this. There's nothing inside. Okay, so now we're gonna put water in it. We're gonna come to a boil and we're gonna season it. So, here we go. We seasoned the water and now the octopus is just in there. We are on high heat. And then we are going to have it bubble. And then we're gonna let it simmer for an hour. Yum. Hi everybody, welcome back. Okay, so this has been cooking for about 11 minutes and it smells fishy in the house. The house does smell fishy, so cheers to the octopus. Thank you.